don't have to put those on. Go out in the living room for a minute.
Come here, guys.
Whoa! Whoa!
Go open it.
What does it look like?
Mickey Mouse. Balloons!
Open. There's a letter there, Liam. Can you read it to me?
Liam is on your backpack and your friend is doing something. And there we go because Mommy and Daddy are taking you to Disney World!
Do you tell your brother? Do you understand?
Yeah, we're going to Disney World! We're going to Disney World! Who gave us this?
Mommy and Daddy, do you guys get it? We're getting on a plane right now. We're going to Disney World.
Today?
Today. We're leaving right now. I don't think he gets it. That's from Aunt Kegan and Uncle Jess.
We're going
to Disney World, baby.
Right now.
I got a credit card! Hey, you got a credit card.
So we have to get in the car.
Oh,
Go.
Yeah, your plane is waiting for you. Come on, you ready? That's your magic band. You're going to wear that in Disney World.
whoa! Oh my God! This is amazing!
Are you excited?
Yes.
Oh, I love you.
I've never been on a plane before.
I know.